Many times people call our office and they use terms that they've heard, but they misuse them. Two of the most frequently misused terms are hostile work environment and wrongful termination. Hostile work environment, as discussed in the section on harassment, has a very specific meaning in the law. And it has very specific factors or elements that need to be met. So most people, I think, feel like if there's something going on at work that makes them uncomfortable or feel bad, it's automatically a hostile work environment. But people call and they say, my boss yells at me. Well, that's not a hostile work environment. My boss uses 4-letter words. Not a hostile work environment. It may be an abusive work environment, but it's not legally a hostile work environment. Now, if your boss is yelling at you because you are of a particular group, whether it's your gender or your race or your national origin or your sexual orientation or your religion, and your boss doesn't treat other people that way, then that might be hostile work environment, but you'd need an attorney to really analyze that and help you through that. It would be based on the facts of your case. Wrongful termination is a shortened version of the longer name wrongful termination in violation of public policy. So if you bring a wrongful termination claim, it has to be tethered to or attached to a violation of a law that's been declared as the public policy or against the public policy of the state. So for example, it's against the public policy that it is not allowable, it's not permissible in the workplace to harass someone. It's not allowable to discriminate against somebody. So if you get terminated, if you get disciplined or terminated because you are being discriminated against, that would be a wrongful termination in violation of public policy. But if you get terminated and you don't believe that it was fair, that's not necessarily a legal claim for wrongful termination. So I just wanted to draw that distinction on those two terms.